Today, I'll walk you through how to change your name font on the Snapchat app, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your name's appearance so you can stand out in your Snapchat community. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for a font generator. This tool will allow you to explore various font styles, similar to how you might browse through a clothing store for the perfect outfit. It's all about finding what fits you best. Once you have your search results, choose among the available options. I recommend picking one that looks user-friendly and has a variety of fonts. Don't worry if your screen looks different, the process remains the same. Next, type your name into the font generator. As you do this, you'll see a list of different font styles appear. Take your time to scroll through and find the one that resonates with you. Once you find the perfect font, copy it to your clipboard. Now, it's time to switch over to Snapchat. Open the app on your device. If you're not familiar with the layout, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions are still there. Once you're in Snapchat, click on your profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it to access your account settings. From here, find and click on the option labeled Name. You'll see your current name displayed. Erase the existing name and paste the one you copied from the font generator. This is where your creativity shines through, so make sure it looks just the way you want it. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your name font on Snapchat. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.